see, we on film. Okay, never mind. What's up, YouTube? So we're back with another video. We did a Dollar Tree run yesterday, and of course we got us another bird because we just love them. Okay, it's fun, don't you think? Yeah. Okay, so we got a bird. We actually got two things. So we got a bird and we got a shark. But of course, baby couldn't wait to put the shark together, so we did that last night. Didn't have time to pop out video or anything to like record that. So you gonna show your shark. And show what it does with the mouth. Wow. See, it's so cute. You got the little eyes, tail fin, and the mouth actually opens.
Wow.
How long did that take us to do? Did it take a long time?
Yeah. Building the bird, it will take a long time.
Think so? Okay. So this is the bird that we have today. 38 pieces. It's a yellow bird standing on the branch. So let's just get into it.
Like, I go do the circle part.
Okay. You just stand.
I go do it.
There you go. Do the honors of pouring it
I
out.
go pour it out.
Yeah. Oh.
Ooh, I go to get it. That one? Is this a Lego?
Yeah, that came out of it too. It's a make it blocks.
A make it block.
Yeah, make it blocks.
So I got the slipper.
You're gonna eventually be able to just freestyle and put it together. You've done it so much. So look, your circle that you got, look. Your circle you got, you both put the little dark brown circle on top.
Okay. This?
No, the big one.
The big
This
one? Okay. So I put it right there?
Yeah, it's like, to the side.
Like this?
Yeah, not the middle though, like to the side. It said on this first little thing right here.
But it's now stuck.
Let me see. That was like a perfect fit though. Like right here. It's saying like put it right here.
Okay.
If that works. Does that work? Then you put this.
Mommy, this thing want me to put it right in the middle.
It wants you to put it in the middle. That ain't what the instructions say though, friend.
This thing want me to put in the middle. This thing.
Like it's supposed to be like this.
Oh. Like this.
Like in the corner.
Like where?
Here, see if you can put it on this right here. Pop the little circle onto this.
Do we do that?
Let me see.
And where do I
Oh,
put
maybe it's this thing right here.
where do I put the leaf at?
Put the leaf. So you supposed to.
Oh, we're supposed to go. Wait, what? Hey, come back here with the leaf. Where did the leaf go?
It's not hanging out though.
Where did the leaf go?
Found the leaf. Up. No, not yet. You gotta put a little, like that leaf goes over here. Like put it on one of these circles.
I could put it on this one.
And then we need to find this little brown piece. Where's that small little brown circle you had at first?
I is it?
This. Put that on top of this.
On the brown?
Got it?
Yeah.
Good job. And you put this on. Oh, friend. Here. Flip it upside down. Here. It goes this way. Like this.
Now, where do I put this at?
You put that on top of this.
Okay.
Boom. And then this little red piece. This goes on top of this.
Oh,
Yeah. Like it's gonna be like a flower, I suppose.
it's not working.
Oh, friend, you have to keep trying. Can't just give up. Snap it together. Then we get the branch. This branch goes inside of this.
Side of what? This?
Yeah. No, turn it the other way. The little short part goes in. This little short part.
This one?
There you go.
That's where the bird sits down there.
That's where the bird's gonna sit. So we need this.
Where should
And
this
then
go?
we gotta find this. Then we need the little small. This is the small joint. And so, hey friend. So look, put the big one down like this, and then put this right here.
This? Like here?
Yeah. On the end.
It's here?
Yeah. And then you put this on the other end.
This one?
Yeah.
Where's the bird going to here?
Huh?
Where's the bird going to
Oh,
here?
you're making a bird.
Is this the bird house?
Yeah, that's where the bird's gonna chill out. So you got that on? Alright, cool. So then you take Oh, okay. So put these like this.
Like this?
Turn it the other way, like it sits up like this. Like I put one on and then you get the other. Alright. And you put the other one on. This and then this. Got it? Alright, cool. Then you take this and put this on like this.
Like this?
Hold up, let me make sure it's the right way. Yeah. Let me make sure it's the right way. Yeah, that's it. Like that. And then take this and put it on top of this.
This?
Got it.
I just don't want to go on this.
You don't want to go on? Let's see. But this is how we're coming so far. Alright, there it is. And so then you put this on. Can you snap this one on here? Snap that right there.
That this right there. I did it.
You did it. Good job. And so then this thing goes right here. Got it on? Cool. Now put this thing on top of here.
I can't do
Yes, you
it.
can. Yes, you can. You just gotta keep trying. Now press
I
it down.
kind of look like a
press it down. Hold on, see? You definitely can do it. And then this is going to go this way and press it on there. Here, put it on.
Put it on where? Up here.
Hold up, whoa, not there. Hold on. It's supposed to be right here.
And then you do it.
Okay. Then we need this thing, and this. So this goes. Wait.
Now why are they so black?
Oh, so look. So put this little black thing like this. Oh, this is the beak. So you put this on top of here
Okay.
and push it down.
Mommy, I can't do it.
Oh, yes you can. Here, let me hold it and you push it on there. Good job. Okay. And then this goes on top of the beak like this. Yeah, like that. There you go. But I thought it was on. Push it down. There you go. Boom. See, you see how it's starting to look like the birdie's face? But then
It looks so funny.
it was so funny. This goes here. Look.
Like I look like a rubber ducky.
Oh, so his eyes are gonna go in here. I already see it.
I got one. And then I got the other one.
So we need 2 of these. You got both eyes. Un momento.
Should I go here?
No, not yet.
Okay.
I thought, but look, they want us to do extra stuff. Hold on. They want us to put this on
Where do I put eyes at?
on that. You put the eye on that.
Like I look like a rubber ducky.
It's like a rubber ducky.
It looks so funny. It's kind of looks like a birdie.
Looking like a birdie.
It looks so cute, Mommy.
Yeah.
But the birdie's going to look so cute when we finish it.
So put this green one right here.
Right here? Right here?
No, right here. Okay, boom. And then take this, turn it over, yeah, and put it on there.
Right here?
Can't see. No. Like, let me show you. Like on this up here. Like that. Yeah. Good job. Now he got some hair. So we need this, and then this.
And what are these going to be?
His wings.
Oh. Then I'm going to make an airplane with them.
I'm gonna make an airplane. Here, you want to snap on his tail? Other way.
This way?
Yeah. You see, look, you see this little thing? Look. Whoa. You see this little thing? You gotta snap on.
Okay.
To just one of them. To one, it goes inside.
How you do
No,
it?
look, let me
You
show
do
you.
it.
Well, look, it goes like this, just like the shark's tail. This one. Oh, so he's gonna have 2.
mouth open just like the shark?
Probably. Well, no, I don't think that mouth's open. Here, can you snap this one on? Yeah, like it slides inside of there. Yeah, just like that. Good job. Thank you.
Is that his hotel?
And we need the. Okay, so now you put the wings on here.
Okay.
They go this way.
This way.
Is that it? Yeah, I guess that is it. Yeah, like this. Just push it on. There you go. Now do this side.
Okay.
So I guess it's. Then we got these and this.
That looks so cute.
Okay.
And look who's here.
Oh my goodness.
What happened when I dropped it on the table? Nothing happened. Watch this.
I'm confused about these legs. Hold on.
Did you just saw that? Donna, 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 Donna. Oh! Baby one!
Hold on. The bird ain't got no. The bird ain't got no legs to run. Can you get that? That's We need that for his leg.
What thing?
It fell in your chair.
So the here?
Yep. There you go.
I don't even know it can fit in my chair.
So the lid part was different. Instead of putting it in those holes, like you put it on the side.
I want to do it
Put it in the side right there.
right here.
Yeah.
I can't do it.
Jamie, you didn't even push it down. Here, try again. You can do it. Say, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it.
I can't do it.
Say, I can do it. 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 Hey. Place it down. There you go. See? Boom, you did it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. All right? And then boom. Tickle on.
Can we play with him?
Hey. Oh.
Mommy, I got a question.
So fun. Yeah, what's your question?
My question is, can we play with him?
We sure can. Just gotta be gentle. Got a little flower. It's so cute. Welcome to the family.
Donna, Donna, Donna,
Shaki.
Donna.
Oh, who's Shaki finna eat? Put Shaki in frame. Get away. All right, peace out. Until next time. Say bye.
Bye.